fast track the possession of drug paraphernalia?
This is a case where the state would make an offer of pleading the paraphernalia as an ordinance for court costs.
You understand what that means, Mr. Erickson?
No, I don't.
It wouldn't be a crime anymore. The state would be asking the court to amend it to an ordinance violation. It's like a traffic ticket, like a speeding ticket. Is that what you wish to, do you wish to accept it?
Ticket?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, formal motion to amend,
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
The court will find your plea of guilt, will enter your plea of guilt. I'm going to assess $200 for the ordinance violation. You're taking care of it right away and being responsible. Are you able to pay that off right away?
No.
You'll need a payment plan?
Yeah.
All right. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM06, State of Wisconsin versus Joseph Fernetton. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Joel Feliski making a special appearance on Mr. Fernetton's behalf, and Mr. Fernetton appears in person. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. But before I go down that road, is this a case that an offer could be presented today?
I don't think today. If the court could just set for normal course of business at least 30 days out.
All right. Okay. So did you go over the criminal complaint with Mr. Fernetton?
Your Honor, I did not have an opportunity to review the complaint as I was completing the application. Mr. Fernetton does qualify for the public defender services. An attorney will be appointed. I see that he's charged here with 1 count of disorderly conduct.
And Mr. Fernetton, it just means that on or around November 11th, 2025 in Burnett County, Wisconsin, while in a public place, there's allegations that you engaged in boisterous, unreasonably loud, or otherwise other disorderly conduct which provoked a disturbance. If convicted, you could face a fine of up to $1,000 or imprisonment up to 90 days or both, okay? Not guilty plea will be entered on your behalf. The next time you come, hopefully the state will be prepared to be able to give an offer to you. Perhaps the state needs to talk to a couple more people before they can offer you something. And then maybe it can be resolved then, or we'll see. And hopefully you can have an attorney by then or make your own decision on what you would like to do. I can schedule this for 2 o'clock on March 9th, 2 o'clock. Mr. Fernetton, I don't think that pen works. I still need to replace that. But you're going to get a written notice up here, okay?
Oh,
for 2 o'clock on March 9th. So come up here and get your notice, and then you're free to go. Ryan Fernetton. There you go. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 165, State of Wisconsin versus Jeremy. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Bruce Anderson, Defense Counsel in person. Mr. Brown appears by video conferencing with approval of the court. We're set here today in this matter for an initial appearance. Mr. Anderson, were you able to go over the criminal complaint with Mr. Brown?
Mr. Brown and I are familiar with the criminal complaint. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am, I do, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am, I do.
Are you still on Howe Road?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Would you like us to just keep your landline?
I think the cell phone,
Give it to me.
715.
Send you text message notifications of any upcoming hearing dates,
Yes, sure.
misdemeanors,
Yes, please.
and then prelim within time limits or waive.
We'll waive time limits.
And I guess I have to look to see, this is filed under Mr. Vila, Mr. Vila. And so I'll try to keep it in his. I could do February 5th at 1:30.
That works for me. Does that work for you, sir?
Schedule it for February 5th at 1:30. Unless you have something extremely important, you have to be here and be here in person. Okay, Mr. Brown?
Yeah,
Sounds good. So we'll see you on February 5th. If it is a waiver, Mr. Anderson, Zoom's fine for both.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Ms. Daly. Thank you, Mr. Brown.
I never use these with my kids.
You've never used a court security gate before?
I'm not.
We had them, but they had to put down a big lever to lock it up. That's why I have trouble with this high-tech one here.
We will go on the record in the matters 26 CM04, 25 TR 979, 980, and 981. State of Wisconsin versus Gabrielle Daly. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Daly appears in person with counsel Bruce Anderson. We're set here today in these matters for initial appearances. Mr. Anderson, were you able to go over the criminal complaint with Ms. Daly?
I haven't received a copy yet.
Mr. Schmidt may have one, and then you can quickly review that with Ms. Daly.
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt of a copy of the criminal complaint. My client and I have gone over it as far as the facts and so on. She's aware of the possible penalties. And at this time, we would ask to enter not guilty pleas to each and every one of the criminal charges.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on her behalf for the criminal matter as well as all of the TR matters. You are entitled to a jury trial and you would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. I can schedule you for March 12th at 9:15. You are coming back on that date, March 12th at 9:15. And if you were planning on appearing by Zoom, I don't care. It's fine.
And that'll be for a status.
Yes,
You say I'm coming back that day.
you are. That's what my records show.
That's actually correct. Okay. 9:15.
9:15.
Very good.
All right, we will see you then. We are adjourned. You can come up and get your notice and you're free to leave. Is that your last one, Mr. Anderson?
It is, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Erickson. All right. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM13, State of Wisconsin versus Cody Erickson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Erickson appears in person without counsel. We're set for an initial appearance, but is this one of the cases we can fast track? The possession of drug paraphernalia?
This is a case where the state would make an offer of pleading the paraphernalia as an ordinance for court costs.
You understand what that means, Mr. Erickson?
No, I don't.
It wouldn't be a crime anymore. The state would be asking the court to amend it to an ordinance violation. It's like a traffic ticket, like a speeding ticket. Is that what you wish to, do you wish to accept it?
Ticket?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Formal motion to amend,
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
The court will find your plea of guilt. Will enter your plea of guilt. I'm going to assess $200 for the ordinance violation. You're taking care of it right away and being responsible. Are you able to pay that off right away?
No.
You'll need a payment plan?
Yeah.
All right. I don't know if you owe anything else. Do you pay on other past due fines and fees?
Yeah, I haven't, yeah.
You have been?
Yeah, I've been working like 3 days a week.
Where do you work?
P-Ducks.
Okay. And do you have your payment plan? Is it taken right out of your paycheck?
No, I do that.
You could do that. And so what I'm going to do is I'll just tack this on to whatever your payment amount is now. Before you leave, just go out and see Amy, and she'll be able to put T-Dogs as a income withholding, and then it'll just come right out of your check and you won't have to worry about it. Okay? All right. Thank you. Then you may go see Amy and we are good. Mr. Kruger? How are you doing since your surgery, sir?
I'm getting better. I just went to my doctor beginning of last week, and they did x-rays and things are looking good, and
Good.
my rehab is going great, he said, and my everything, my movement, my everything's improving
That's really
the way
good
it
to
should
hear.
be.
That is excellent. Hopefully, it'll be a fast recovery.
Yes.
We will go on the record in the matter 25 CT 54, State of Wisconsin versus Paul, and it's Kruger?
Kruger.
Okay. Again, I think I told you this the last time. A best friend of mine from college spells his last name the same thing, and he pronounces it Krieger.
Well, I've heard of
So-
Krieger as a pronunciation
Yes,
for the
so it's-
spelling, yes.
So I apologize if I say that sometime.
No.
So Mr. Kruger appears in person without counsel. We have the state through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt. Mr. Schmidt.
I move to dismiss this because he's got his license yesterday.
Excellent. Even better news.
Yeah.
So it's dismissed.
Yes, there was a total misunderstanding with the way my insurance was going through my treatment plan versus the way Aurora would have, because I signed up with Aurora and then I got sent over to St. Croix Falls. Well, this time I stayed with Aurora and I went through all the steps that I was supposed to do.
Well, I'm so glad to
So,
hear that. So
yeah.
it's dismissed, adjourned. I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah, because last time they gave me my license and then Aurora said, well, he hasn't completed it, but I did through St. Croix Falls. And that's when the state, I don't know, there was some kind of mix up.
But at least it's taken care of now.
Yeah, and then I got pulled over when I was coming home from the fitness center and
Oh,
yeah,
well, I'm glad it's taken care of.
It
And
is.
good luck on your recovery and
thank you.
be safe getting back.
Yes, I will be.
All right, thank you. Angeline or Angeline Ottinger? Is it Angeline or Angeline?
Oh,
Okay.
I'm good? Yep. Thank you very much. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate
I
this.
appreciate you doing all you need to do. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM19, State of Wisconsin versus Angeline Ottinger. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Ottinger appears in person without counsel. We're set for an initial appearance, but is this one of those cases that can fast track? Or is this perhaps one of your programs?
We started a program in our county where people can do a diversion program to have no criminal charges or even a ticket. We sent a letter to you in the mail and it got returned to sender. Would you be interested in something like that if we got a letter to you?
I live in St. Cloud, so it's a travel, and I don't have a vehicle right now.
I think it's an online thing.
Oh.
Wouldn't require driving.
Okay, then I would, yeah,
You'd be interested?
yeah.
All right, so first thing first, I need to get an updated address because I have 40 31st Street Avenue. It says
Yep.
Street Avenue.
It's Avenue, but it's 224
Okay, 224
6th Avenue North,
6th Avenue North,
St. Cloud,
St. Cloud. And what's the zip code?
56303.
Okay, thank you. And can I get a telephone number?
Yep, 320-237-1388.
May we send you text messages if we need to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. So what I'm going to do, Ms. Ottinger, is I'm going to set this matter for a couple months down the road. That'll give you time to go ahead and do that program. I think it's a couple hours or something. I don't know. And you have to be in contact with the district attorney's office about all of that information. What I'm probably going to say, and Mr. Schmidt will probably agree with, go down to your office and maybe they can print a copy of that letter that was returned. So you have all of the information you need to complete that class. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set it for a status, again, a couple months down the road. If you've completed the class and you gave the proof to the district attorney's office, you won't need to come back. They'll take care of it on their own, okay? But if you haven't yet completed it, you're going to be able to call into the court, but then the offer is going to be off the table. So if you don't complete it by this next court date, it's going to have to go down the other road.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, and you understand those charges?
Yes, ma'am.
So not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule you for March 23rd at 1 o'clock. March 23rd at 1 o'clock. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, just wait. I may not do that because all I have is civil the rest of that afternoon, at least at this time. So I'm going to do 9:45 on March 23rd. Okay, 9:45 on March 23rd. You're going to come up here and get your notice. And once you get your notice, go outside to the hall, walk all the way down almost to the end of the hall straight. And on your right is the district attorney's office.
Okay.
Tell them who you are and that you need to get that letter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And they'll be able to print it off. So you can come up here and get your notice and go take care of that. Thank you.
Ma'am, so there will be a sign that says District Attorney's Office, ask for Shannon.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, Joseph Burnetton.
And if any reason, it doesn't get dismissed and everything, the Zoom information is on that.
All right. Thank you.
AAJ ka courtroom session ne dikaya kuhar case ka anjam ek jaisa nahi hoda. Kahin surf ek hearing hodi hai, kahin ek deals and dagi badal dedi hai, or kahin surf ek faisla sab kuch palat dita hai. Opki Kyle Main is hearing ka sabs hai ran kar deen wala pal kaunsada. Apni rai comments main zaror batayan. Or agar AAP ace high real courtroom cases or shocking legal moments dekna chat hain, to channel KO subscribe carrion or bell icon zaror on carrion. Milt hain agli video main.